This is Realme 12 Plus, and today I'll show how you can enter the power saving mode on this device. So to start, launch settings. Now find and enter the battery category. Here open the power saving mode page and simply switch it on. In order to switch it off, you can also, just toggle this switch. The Realme 12 Plus also has more aggressive power saving mode that is called super power saving mode. So you can enable it if you would enable it as well, or go for it rather if you would like for your power saving to be as effective and as aggressive as possible. Since, as you can see, it basically strips your system down to its essentials, such as phone, messages, clock, and so on. You can also add some other shortcut. In order to access this super power saving mode, just tap at the icon you'll find at the top left corner of your display. And as far as power saving goes, that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.